So, hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys in another very brand new video. This video is gonna be very special video because today I'm gonna do another very great conversation video with my uncle. So, when we were making video there, then my uncle, Viraj uncle, he came here and then we also just thought that we should make a conversation video because for to develop our English skills, we must do speaking. Okay, if you speak daily on a regular basis, then obviously your speaking will be more good. So now, Viraj uncle, please give your introduction to our audience.
My name is Biraj Debnath. I am from Bishalgarh. My residence is Naraura, and I am in working one a nutraceutical company whose name is Moringo Bioscience, and it is so grateful that Pradeep and our Polto Burman sir did video, and it was so fantastic atmosphere, and they did, and it is so nice because Pradeep always every morning he also did his video with his father, our beloved Polto Burman sir. I am also continuously trying to speak like our Pradeep sir because as a my uncle, but I feel he also a teacher because he is already doing his best level, and he also create I also saw many video every day which he created, and every videos are so essential and important for every students, I feel, because nowadays it is important to speak in English in market because market are growing, atmosphere also increasing, and it is so important part, and that impact will be how it will come, you will feel in future. And nowadays we also talking in mother tongue, but it is essential that everywhere when you will gone, when you will go, and when you will gone in atmosphere different of area in surrounding our India or out of India, it is essential to talk in English. And English is now maintaining different type of language because English language has capacity to maintain 5010 knows language, and that's why Pradeep sir also doing his best level. I also inspire for him from him, and our beloved Polto Burman sir also increasing me, and he also trying to me to increase my speaking level, and my skill also growing, I feel, because uh, last 4 months I also doing this class with our monk artist education center. Eh.
So thank you very much. And now also, as you can see, so there is a girl who is standing for a long time. She is uncle's daughter. So I will request to you that give your introduction to our audience.
Good Good morning. My name is Ritika Devnath. I read in class 6. My school name is Vishalgarh English Medium HS School. My favorite activity is painting. Thank you.
So it was the end. So okay.
So you can say some story.
So can you please say some stories in English language?
People hate the truth. Luckily, the truth does not care.
No, no, it was quotes. I said that story. Do you can? Do you have any thinking about any kind of stories? Okay, just leave it. Now the thing that you said, what was that? It was a quote. So can you know and can you please say another quotes, few quotes to our audience?
Failure is a part of life. If you don't fail, you don't learn. If you don't learn, you will never change.
And then another one.
Money can buy house, but not home. Money can buy bed, but not sleep. Money can buy clock, but not time. Money can buy blood, but not life. Money can buy insurance, but not safety. You say money is not everything.
And another someone.
Okay, now.
So now the quotes that she said, it was also a very great quote. This quote is written by APJ Abdul Kalam sir. APJ Abdul Kalam sir also tried to tell all of the people of this world that money is not everything. We think that money is everything. Money is everything. Without the money, we can't be happy in our life. If we want to get something, then obviously we need the money. The money is essential nowadays. But no, money can buy a bed but not a sleep. Money can buy food but not our APT. Money can buy a clock, a very beautiful, a big clock, but not the time. Money can buy a number of things but not their uses. And also my favorite, money can buy a book but not the knowledge to read the book. So now, Biraj uncle, now I also explained these quotes that this quote is that money can buy a house but not a home. So what you're thinking about this quote? Just share with me.
Actually, money is not everything,
Hmm.
because money is essential everywhere.
Hmm.
But some few moment when you feel essential part, money is not everything, because I need food for my body, but which food I need, I don't know. But if every day which we are adopting in our body, it is expensive.
Hmm.
But on that time, it is essential. But another things bed, which bed on the bed we sleep.
Hmm.
Bed, when we sleep, we feel comfort and our cell also goes in rest,
Hmm.
and we feel also energetic and our calorie level also increasing. And you see that sleep uh, uh, sleep sleep comes from our
What sleep?
sleep is natural part, I feel.
Hmm.
Because sleep when come
Hmm.
in our body, on that time our cell and our body level also tell us our memory that you can lay down, and that time we also goes in sleep part.
Hmm.
And when we sleep our cell also increasing, and they also convert in energetic part. And sleep, you feel that on sleep time if you think money, your mind, you will not sleep, because your sleep will not come,
Yes.
because you will gone and you will go into the tension period.
What
and
is the money?
and
Yes, yes.
money can buy insurance but not safety.
Safety.
It is true, because you will buy any insurance after gone, after your passed away, your all money will get at your nominee part.
Hmm.
But I feel insurance sector is another part, money sector is another part, because safety is our first priority.
Hmm.
Because when we buy any mobile, on first time we chose which cover I will buy, because I think that if mobile will crash,
Yes,
then
yes.
it will be destroyed. So that's why we
The
first
mobile fell down, then it will be. Yes.
destroy. On that time, before buying, we chose which cover we will buy,
Yes, which temper and
worst
also
temper
comfort.
or different issues.
Yes.
And I also think that this is part of safety.
Hmm.
And we feel the safety part we need from our inner mind,
Hmm.
which kinds of safety we need. And we also think how I escape for myself for safety. So money is not everything in everywhere.
Hmm.
In everywhere it is also another the things which you about told before time, the money can buy food but not appetite.
Appetite.
It is so essential, because when we feel that when we are hungry to eat something, and we also fall energyless, on that time we take some food. But in everywhere you feel that money is not available,
Hmm.
but food also coming, because
Yes.
natural part also giving you
Yes,
so
nature
many,
giving us food.
giving us all things. Because I also speaking another part that you also taking oxygen,
Hmm.
but with money you cannot take oxygen,
No.
because oxygen is natural.
Natural.
God also gives us so many oxygen and carbon dioxide, which trees are also adopting, and they are giving us oxygen.
Hmm.
But it oxygen need in every human and every animal's part, but it is natural, so it is so essential thing. The money is not essential in everywhere.
Yes.
Natural part also essential in a situation part, we also need. Okay. And another part you also said that people hit the tooth, luckily the tooth does not care.
Yes.
It is so important things about our society.
So
Do good for other, it is so important sentence. I also before time when I was normal and I was not a student, monk artist education, on that time I know did not feel about this sentence.
hmm.
People hate the truth, luckily the truth does not care. It is so truth,
Yes.
because truth is truth. Truth does not care anybody,
Yes.
because truth when start, inside of truth there are so many confidence,
Yes. Energy.
energetic, vigor, vitality, stamina. Because dedication is must on that sentence. And when you feel that the true, when create innovation newly, it will convert in new discovery, and it will be breakthrough, I feel. And another thing also, I am thinking that who hate the truth, it is not matter,
Yes, yes.
because hate mind always small mind, I feel. Because
The people who always hate the truth, they are small-minded people.
they're small mind, because
Okay.
there are no capacity to think about the new innovation for our society, because truth have, and truth actually the vital thing, and it has capacity to create new innovation, and it will be breakthrough, I feel. And from beginning and till now, my experience level from market, I also saw that truth also face many time obstacle, different situation, but truth cannot stop. Truth always goes on
Hmm.
in front, and he also has capacity so many obstacle and different situation, and he will overcome, definitely, it is sure, I feel.
Yes. Now the thing that you said, that he, who is he? Like the truth, or the person who is just holding the truth?
Actually, who are belonging in our society, that he is want to do for new innovation for our society, and who also working in his inner mind, and his activity, he is honest,
Hmm.
and he also want to create anything in honest way.
Hmm.
That is means truth.
Okay,
Who
okay.
are, who is want to don't want,
Hmm.
sorry, who does not want to do anything for our society, he will not think about the truth, I
Okay,
feel.
okay. Yes.
Okay.
So it was a great, and now I will say to you that again, tell a quotes that you love the most, and I will try, and Biraj uncle also, we will try to describe this quote and explain this quote. So what is your next quote?
Take risks in your life if you take risks in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide.
Okay, this is also a very very beautiful quote, that
Yes,
taking risks. Okay, this quote is written by Swami Vivekananda.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Swami Vivekananda also said us that take risks. What is risks in our life? I think that without the risks, there is nothing that we can learn better in our life. Now that we are also doing this conversation here in this beautiful environment, so it is a risk. One type of a risk is we also can do the conversation, the same conversation in our home, but now we didn't do that. We take a little kind of risk, we come here, and now we are starting to speaking, making videos, doing conversation. So that's why what we want to learn in our life, we should take some few risks. And the risks, if we just win the risks, if the risks became very very good for us, then we also can lead. But if the risks with the, so risk is very important. If the risk is become a failure for us, then also there is none of anything that we should take tension, because if we lose the risk, then we also can get a strong mentality, and also we can understand the thing. The people who are gonna do the same thing, we can guide them that you should do this. If you don't do this, then you are not gonna. And also another thinking, that it is very very beautiful, that if you don't take risks in your life, then it's gonna be the biggest risk in your life.
I
Is it?
also thinking about this. Without risks, we cannot create in our mind any positivity,
Hmm.
because if we take risks, if I take risks, then what I will do,
Hmm.
that work will be in positive part, I
Hmm.
think. Because without risks, we cannot take any necessary action,
Hmm.
because which about we are thinking, it depends on our inner mind.
Hmm.
If I think positive, it will be
Positive.
come out positive. If I think negative, it will come out in
Yes,
negative.
there is also psychology said that
Psychology part, psychology
if,
says.
yes,
Hmm.
proper problem, if you focus on problem, then the problem will
And
come.
if
And
if I will fear
hmm.
that I cannot do, and it is not possible for me, it
Hmm.
means I am feeling negativity.
Negativity, if
So
I am negative, then the work also will be
and
negative.
my all cell also goes on negativity.
Yes,
Yeah, on that time my body also convert in negativity,
yes,
and that's why confidence level will go lay down,
yes,
and that time
because
we cannot do anything.
yes.
That's why I also telling that without risks we cannot do better. for our society.
Yes.
And it is so impact. I also feel that without risks we cannot achieve any our destination which you want. And on the way, if I will take risks in the which work I want to do, when I will take risks, on that time I will feel I will take so many experience on that way. And it is feels that so many experience I also can lead for future. And that experience will I also give so many person that who want to create new activity for innovation for our society, I feel. And Swami Vivekananda also said this word, this sentence so many times. And he was also innovator for our youth generation, for our Indian youth generation. And when we feel and when we think about him, our cell level, our body level convert into the positivity.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, Biraj uncle, now also we are doing a lot of conversation here in this beautiful environment. So what you think about this environment? Now this is the tea garden of Vishalgarh, am I right? So it is the tea garden, and whenever I also get any time, I just come here with my family members, with my parents, and then I also just make videos. Because whenever I come here, sentences they start come in my brain. Because this place is very calm place, beautiful place. There are many trees are there, not a very big crowd of people. So that's why it's very normal for me for making video and doing conversation. So what do you think about this place?
Actually, in our mind and our memory, every important sentence will come from comfort zone.
Yes.
And I think that this area is so comfort zone
Hmm.
and totally natural because green is green.
Hmm.
There is no excuse.
Yes.
There is no question about green.
Because green color is the color of the comfort.
Green color I feel natural color.
Yes.
And this natural color also gives us so many things, and our memory and our mind also ready to gives so many words from our inner stock point. Okay. And that's why I feel this area nowadays is so attractive for any visitors.
Yes.
Like you are doing this video also, I and you one conversation did some few days ago in this place. And this place is I was telling you that this place is now Gokul Nagar, situated in front of Rastar Mata, the way of national highway Bishalgarh to Agartala on the way in left side. And this area is so attractive because in left side also one college, Rabindranath Tagore College, which college is situated some few days ago. It is so attractive, and I also living here. So I am far away from 1 kilometer, and this area will be so attractive after some days when the rain will come.
Yes.
Because now days for dry situation, there are no available grass in green position. And after rain, when you will come here, you feel so many green here.
Yes.
When you will see, when you will sit in front of the over the grass, you feel that your energy level, your memory level, your thinking level also growing, and which from where so many words are coming to speak, it will be amazing. I feel that.
Yes.
So this area so attractive and safety area, I feel. And in picnic time,
It is
so
the
many
best picnic time.
in picnic time, so many picnic spot, family members also come here. And it is so attractive because also doing some soil, also they are decorating here. And I feel that it will be more attractive after some days.
Yes. So it was also a great description, and I also want to say that you said that this place is very comfort place for us, and it is also very comfort place that whenever I come here, I also feel very comfort. Like it is a comfort zone of speaking. But I also want to say a quote. This quote is great things does not come from comfort zone.
Yes.
Like when I also came here for the first time, then also this place was not comfort for us. It was an uncomfortable zone. But when we started speaking here, when we started enjoying the nature, enjoying the environment, after a few moments this place became a comfort zone for us.
Because I also one sentence I remember about this speech, that on that time when you had come here in first time, on that time you take risks.
Yes.
You have taken risks.
Yes, I
And
also.
also you have taken your video,
Hmm.
also did. And that's why your experience level also growing. It is example that without tricks we cannot do better.
Hmm.
Because it is true that take risks in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can
Guide.
guide. Okay.
So it was a great conversation with both of you, and now I want to share to everyone the ending part that thank you for watching this video. For the end, if you like this conversation, then please like this video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, because if you do subscribe, then all of the new videos notification that will come to you. You also can achieve, you can develop your speaking skills. New advices I always will give to you. Bye bye. As you can see, so bye bye guys, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, like this video, and also I love to talk and also to do conversation with all of you in the comment section. So please guys, give a beautiful comment, supportable comment. So bye bye, beautiful days don't come to you, you must work towards them.